The project is more or less the OECS HIV TB leadership project. It's a project funded by the Global Fund to the tune of $5 million for the prevention and control of HIV TB in 6 OECS countries, namely St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, Antigua, Dominica, Grenadines, St. Kitts and Nevis. It's over a 3-year period, and this particular workshop is one to actually provide stakeholders from the region with an update on the progress of the TB implementation component of the grant. The second is actually to be able to present the TB HIV, our newly developed OECS TB HIV clinical guidelines for endorsement, and to see whether or not it's acceptable through the countries as a document that can be used as a model. And we also are trying or endeavoring to finalize the national TB elimination plans of countries, as well as agreeing upon specific activities for implementation in 2018.
So PAHO was called upon at the very beginning to help ECS put together a proposal which was funded by the Global Fund, and we also provided additional support throughout the implementation of this project. We work with OECS to address the issues related to diagnosis, treatment guidelines, but also the follow-up of the patients who are on treatment.
The regional coordinating mechanism is a multi-sectoral committee set up by the Global Fund and has been involved in mobilizing funding for HIV for the OECS region since 2005. It really comprises of representation from the six countries that participate in the OECS Global Fund grant. But the RCM is also developing a submission to the Global Fund for continued funds so that we can continue to do the work we have started.
What the project has allowed us to do is to concentrate our efforts for major improvement and to have everything precise. Because what was happening previously, before you have guidelines, certain health professionals were doing whatever they felt like. So they were not attaining the diagnosis in the correct way. So showing them guidelines and having guidelines presented at workshops, then they're able to tailor their practice. So our figures differ annually. We have a low sometimes of 3 cases per year, but our average would be about 6, 7 a year. If not controlled and if our measures are not continued, then it can become a public health problem. I think 1 case of tuberculosis is too much in this modern day and age.